Hey friends, welcome back. So today we are going to install the Sonos Sub Mini into our bedroom setup, which has the Sonos bar, beam, whatever the heck this thing is called. And then behind us, we've got two surrounds that are pointing on either side of the bed. So because we like to watch TV in here, I wanted to add the Sonos Sub Mini to the system. So let's get this thing unboxed. So in our box, we get power cord. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed on the phone. Stand by, we'll get this opened up. So in the box, we do have our Sub Mini in a very lovely little cloth bag. There is our power cord, and here is the packaging. It's actually a nice, pretty heavy box. So let's get this thing out of the packaging. So this plugs in just like the Play Ones. This is the bottom. So you do get an RJ45 underneath there and the power cable. So I'm just going to connect this to Wi-Fi because our access point is actually right underneath us, and our beam up here is connected to is hardwired in. So the more Sonos things you have on your network, the stronger your Sonos network gets. So we'll get this plugged in and get it adopted into the system. Okay, we are synced. We're added to the S2 app. It updated and it joined the rest of the system, which took about 7 minutes or so, 5 minutes for it to download and then update, and then another 2 minutes or so to join the system. So now we are going to run the auto calibration software to get this added into our system. Okay, and that's it. So the whole process took about 20 minutes. So that's from unboxing to tuning to setting up the entire system. As a matter of fact, I have a big boiling pot of water on the stove, and I wanted to see if I can go from a cold pot of water to a boiling pot of water and install this sub in the meantime. And I would say it's a success. Say that 3 times fast. I would say it's a success. Anyway, Sub Mini, totally rules. This is in a bedroom. This is about 12 by 11, the master bedroom here, and it's really, really nice. I wish I could play you audio through it, but, you know, the YouTubes will demonetize me. But anyway, if you have any questions about this, just drop a comment below, and as always, thanks for stopping by.